Let's go over a few quick stretches that you can do using a stretching strap so that way you can help decrease pelvic floor tightness, back pain, and hip pain. So first we're going to have you lay down on your back with your stretching strap and we're going to place it around your foot. After you have the strap around your foot, you can leave the opposite leg bent, but we're going to straighten out the leg that has the strap around it. And you're just going to use your arms to gently pull the leg towards you just until you start to feel a stretch. Once you start to feel that stretch, you can intensify that stretch by pulling the toes towards you a little bit more. But if that's too much, you can definitely leave the foot relaxed. With this stretch, you're going to hold this position for a count of 30 seconds, and then you're just going to relax off. This stretch is helping to stretch out your hamstring, so you'll feel the tightness through here. If you're someone who has a lot of neural tension, you may even notice tightness and a sensation of pulling down into the calf as well. And after 30 seconds, we'll switch over to the opposite leg. Same thing, you're going to leave the leg that does not have the strap bent, and you're going to pull the leg with the strap towards you. And we're going to hold here for 30 seconds. The reason why we're leaving the opposite leg bent is so that way we can decrease any pressure on the back. Sometimes when you have the other leg straightened out, it causes you to arch your back. And right now we just want to minimize any discomfort that you may be having. You may not have to do the bent knee on the opposite side, depending upon your flexibility and also how you feel. Good. So that was 30 seconds on both sides for a hamstring strap. And now we are going to move on to doing a stretch where we are bringing both knees to the chest. So you're just going to thread the strap underneath both of your knees. And you're going to grab closer down to the stretching strap. And you're just going to pull the knees to your chest. And you're going to hold here, breathing, making sure you don't hold your breath as you're stretching. For this stretch, you're going to feel it more so in the lower back and also in the buttock region for your glutes. You can hold this stretch here as well for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, if you need to, you can use your arms to help you lower the legs back down to the ground. So far, we've done a hamstring stretch and we've also done a glute stretch. Next, we're going to do a stretch for your piriformis. And I'm going to have you cross one foot on top of the opposite knee. So you're going to bring that ankle to the opposite knee. And now you're going to take your strap and you're going to thread it through for the foot that is still on the ground. So right now I still have my left foot on the ground. So I'm going to thread my strap underneath that left knee. And you're going to grab the strap closer down towards the leg. And you're going to pull the knee towards your chest. You should feel this piriformis stretch on the opposite leg of the strap. So the knee that is closest to you, the one that is crossed over out on the outside of the hip. Depending on how tight you are, you also may feel it in your adductors on that side or even in the buttock gluteal muscle on the leg that has the strap. And same thing, holding for about 30 seconds. And then we'll switch and do the opposite side. So bringing your legs down, and now we're going to switch to the opposite side, and you can simply thread your strap over now to the opposite knee and cross. Now I'm crossing my left ankle on top of my right knee to do the opposite leg. And same thing, you're going to grab closer to the knee with the strap and pulling the strap towards you. That way you can bring your knee to your chest and breathing, not holding your breath. And we're going to hold here for 30 seconds as well. And relaxing. Those are just 3 stretches that you can do to help with back pain, pelvic floor tightness, sometimes even pain, and also hip pain. With those 3 stretches using the strap, you're able to modify the intensity based upon how much you pull. So you are in control of the stretch and can control how much of the stretch you feel. The good thing with the strap is that at times you may need a little bit more assistance with lifting your legs, and a strap can help you do that. Go ahead and give those stretches a try and let me know in the comments how you feel afterward.